One of the most common questions that we get from successful business owners is, how do I pay less tax? As you grow and have significantly more wealth personally and in your corporation, it's one of the most common questions and the biggest problem that we have. I'm Jay Gagnes, founder of Ocean 6 Wealth Advisory, and today I want to share with you the top 3 tips of how to pay less tax as a successful business owner. Tip number 1, pay yourself a dividend and not a salary. If you pay yourself a dividend, it allows for you to not have to pay into the Canada Pension Plan and leave an additional $5,800 in your corporation that allows you to invest, have full control over, and reinvest in your business and have access to for the next 10, 20, 30 years until you get to retirement. If you put that money into the Canada Pension Plan, you don't have access to it and you no longer are able to use that money in your business. Tip number 2, do not take money out of your corporation to invest. Look at it this way. If you earn $100 in your corporation, you pay 11% tax. You now have $89 to invest. If you pull that $100 out of your corporation and you pay personal tax on it and you're at a higher tax bracket, you now only have $50 to invest. Even if you put it in to a tax-free savings account, you must double that money to get back to $100. You have to have a 100% rate of return. In your corporation, with the $89, you only have to have about a 14% return to get back to even. Tip number 3, own your life insurance inside your corporation. If you own your life insurance inside the corporation, you're purchasing that insurance with dollars that have been taxed at 11% instead of dollars that have been taxed at 50%. Same idea as when you're investing. So look at it this way. $100, you now have $89 after tax to buy the life insurance. Personally, you pull $100 out, you now have $50 to buy life insurance. So own your life insurance inside the corporation, but always make sure that the corporation is the owner, the payer, and the beneficiary to make sure you maximize those tax benefits. So those are 3 top tips to make sure that you minimize tax and avoid a much higher tax bracket as a business owner. If you want to learn more about the blueprint process and how Ocean 6 is reinventing the financial industry here in Canada, click on the link below and book a call, and we'd be happy to go through that process with you.